So after painting the tubes and running all the power cables, connectors, I got the black tubes all placed back into the build. Wow, the matte black hard tubes is something special. It's a sight to see. Um, a lot more unique than running the clear tubes. Um, yeah, it looks like we got a crooked tube right there, but I'm not going to worry about it. I had a bin right there, but it didn't look so good. But man, this black and chrome theme, it really came together. Let's turn off this LED light. It doesn't look so great. All right, more natural light. Here we go. Wow. You guys really don't want to see the back of this guy. Woo. Yeah, I gotta plug all this stuff up. I think there's enough space to shove it all in there. I'm about to do a leak test right now, though. Wish me luck.